Hello. Today I will show you how to install Poppy Playtime. So this is really simple. It's kind of simple. So the first thing you have to go to Chrome. Okay, that will happen. First search. Wait, if you're on Android, then just search just this. Just follow the steps. Search this. Just this, so click on it. Okay, then you scroll down. Up. So here it says download Android or Apple, but I'm using Android, so download again. I just deleted it. Press details. Now you can see it downloading. Just wait for it to download and then just skip this. Press install. It may take a while. Okay, here. But it may say something about files, but I'm gonna show you later.